rain shaft?
Yeah.
This is what we get for getting too far away from it. But it should cross right in front of us now. With any luck. This is tornado number, I want to say 3, at least. Look at that!
What?
2! What's what? That's not that bad though. I don't think I even have it on my camera here. Well, it's still like 6 miles away from us. It's just, the scale is just so crazy out here. It's on it. I don't know if we're streaming. Oh, is it recording both? Yeah, both of them are in it. We got twins! Twins! Alright. I hope it gets some dirt, man. See that color got to it? It goes right up into the mezzo, but it's like such a skinny little thing. I can barely fit into this darn thing. Is it working? Oh man, there's got to be like 6,000. How many views? 1,000. Okay. Take a while to go through all this video, Sean. Look at that thing, it's huge! Oh my god. Is it coming at us? It's not moving. Maybe. We're way south of it now, unless it starts really pushing south. Doing everything I can to keep, what time? Like 5:30. Oh, look at that, there's a little rope inside of it. What time is it? Sean, I think we're about to get another land spell right in front of us. Anti-cyclonic vortex. It is moving south, John. Is that good? Oh. I think it's quite headed to our location. We're out of its way at the moment. Oh man. Yeah, it's basically headed right at us, but I'm not sure how far south we are in relation to its path. Because I've got GPS to it. Well, it's apparently moving, so that's good. What I need is our, you good? Oh yeah, we got everything. This is better than Roselle. It already is better than Roselle. Camera.
Way is it going? Okay. Still got twins. Yeah.
Tornadoes.
Oh, that's right. Is it anti-cyclonic?
Yes, it is. Because it's on the south side of it. One anti-cyclonic tornado and a cyclonic tornado right in front of us. The anti-cyclonic is just 2 mere miles from us. The cyclonic one is very far away. How's it look on the screen, Sean?
Awesome. It looks awesome.
Oh, look at that!
Oh.
Sorry.
That's Wizard of Oz right there.
Pretty good news, man. Well, I can't keep this steady though.
Yeah, I got video from three sources right now, so we should be good. We may have to head south.
It's down again.
Yep. Wow.
Basically coming right at us. When do you want to move?
Soon.
Alright,
Yeah, it's kind of cycling around. It's coming this way.
okay, let's go.
All right.
Oh, this wasn't recording, Sean.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah. Hold on, let me get a little bit of video on this guy. Oh, card full. No!
Holy crap.
I'll feel it out of this guy.
All right. I'm still, I still got this one going.
All right, I'll try to move quick. I just need some video of this on this.
Oh, yeah. Memory cards.
Okay, another full one.
Look how fast that's rotating.
That's pretty awesome for an anticyclonic tornado, I gotta tell you. Well, actually, it looks cyclonic on the bottom, but it's anticyclonic up above. That doesn't
Yeah,
look right.
that's
Looks
different.
totally weird.
Holy crap.
Okay. Okay, we need to go. Go. Wizard of Oz sector. It is anti-cyclonic. Yeah, we can't really see much at the moment, but yeah, you'll have to get out and take a look. I'm gonna stay in here right now. It might be done. It might have, no, I still see it. Sorry about getting my head in there. Yeah, I think it's the top. Do I have your camera right now? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Shut the door while the chasers go by.
Good thinking.
Your. What are you gonna do?
Stay put. It's not going anywhere.
New one forming there? New muzzle? Or is it just... I mean, over here.
No, it's just, I don't know what that's a part of. It might be a new muzzle forming. There's still two tornadoes right now, basically. Yeah, get a few good shots while you can. Here. It's on video right now. way because of the anticyclonic tornado on the southern side of the horseshoe. In the distance, you can see kind of a skinny little stovepipe, or cone even, in the background on the north side of the horseshoe. Okay. Wow, that was eerie for a minute. That's why they say the entire mesocyclone is a potential tornado producer. What you're seeing is dust that was lifted by an earlier anticyclonic tornado in front of the original cone cyclonic tornado on the north side of the horseshoe. 3,500 plus. No, I don't think it's there. Pretty sure it's just dust falling out of the sky. Yeah, that's the best I can do with that position. I ate some serious dust just then. Yeah, I got some bad. Southern edge of this is starting to get a little closer to us. If it produces another tornado and pushes outward like it did, it'll be right on top of the street. So pay attention to the ground circulation. You got a camera? You have kind of going on it? No. Just the GoPro. Take a couple of these. It's wrapping up again. The anticyclonic? Yeah. See the top? Yeah, I see that again. Alright, get a couple quick shots because we're going to have to probably go. The anticyclonic tornado is re-emerging. The cyclonic tornado is still there. Kind of lost in the rain a bit. Still a little nipple there. Yeah, it comes back every so often. And it's rapid rising a little bit to its left. There it is. There's another one. A little quick rope embedded in the rain. Cyclonic? There, anticyclonic? Okay. Okay. There it is. Okay. Start doing some video, and I'm going to stay right here and try to watch through the car, because if I open this door, the camera comes out. Can you do me a favor? Oh yeah, it's on the ground again, isn't it? Yeah, sorry. Sorry, folks. I was wondering if you could back up the car and turn it a little bit. Yeah. Sean or Dad just wrote us. Stacy says you guys can get out of there now, and Dad said you have 3,500 viewers. Wow. Oh, I don't have it. Are you recording? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Are you focused? Are you focused? Take a picture, put it in a manual. Like go to AV, take a picture, put it in a manual, focus it. Oh, where's your camera? Where's your camera? All right, there's a car coming. I think they're okay. That's good. Back up again. Okay, good. Good. Okay, this probably ought to get out of here pretty soon because we're starting to get overlapped. But no, that's, you keep it right here. I'm just saying. I thought I was recording. Or am I? I am recording. Oh yeah, there's a car coming. Okay. Okay. Might want to just switch the other side of the road. Do you want to turn the car around? In the rain. Well, you know what? Park right into this driveway here. They better be underground and not trying to leave or anything anyway. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Right here. Good. Okay. How many does that make? Sorry. Look out. Yeah, no doubt. Tapping it in the middle. You have to stop it and start it again. You're on my phone, right? Sorry. Right. Just like a needle. Yeah. It just broke. Out. It's like teasing us. Yeah, that does look like a funnel. But I'm watching this other edge too. Another one. Yeah, he just turned his lights on. Like police guy. Well, yeah, it's a funnel. 11 now. I'm trying to get a better